searched how to buy shares of Devon Energy Corp. Devon Energy is an independent oil and gas exploration and production company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DVN. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy DVN, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you'll need to verify your account, typically by uploading a government ID, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker DVN to find Devon Energy Corp. Look for the NASDAQ listing and confirm the name and ticker to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, you'll see a brief company overview and the price chart. Check the company details and market listing to confirm this is the correct Devon Energy Corp share. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order summary and confirm. If the market is closed, you can place a market on open or a pending order, depending on the platform. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order is confirmed. After the order executes, your Devon Energy position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to visit the platform.